Friends, welcome in AS Technologies. Today we are going to learn about parameterized constructor, how to call parameterized constructor in a default constructor, and what is the chaining of a constructor. So here I am created one student class. Now I am going to create parameterized constructor. As I said in last tutorial, constructor has the same name like your class name and same has a body like your method. So my class name is a student, so I have to provide same name like my class name to my parameterized constructor. In this parenthesis I am providing one parameter like a string name, and I am printing here my name is this name variable. I am just keeping my code very simple to understand. In main function I am creating object of my class because constructor get execute when you are creating object of your class. So using new keyword I am just making my instance of a class. You can see JVM show me one error, that is the constructor student is undefined because you are creating here parameterized constructor. When you are creating parameterized constructor in your class, in a main function at the time of object creation you have to provide value for that parameter. So I have to provide here string variable string value to this string variable. Now I am running my code. You can see my code executed and it's printing my output, my name is John. So in this way you can create parameterized constructor. You can call parameterized constructor using new keyword like this. Now I am creating one default constructor. Default constructor means no argument constructor. In this parenthesis we are not providing any value, so that's why it's called as a no argument constructor. Simply I am printing it is default constructor. Here I am created another constructor, that is a parameterized constructor with one string variable. In main function I have called only one parameterized constructor, so it will execute which constructor? The second one, that is a parameterized constructor. See, I'm running my code now. So my name is John. JVM just printing value of my parameterized constructor. JVM not executing my default constructor. Why so? Because in a main function I am just calling my parameterized constructor. When JVM comes to this main function, it will point to this John value. This John value will go in a string variable, and because of that this parameterized constructor get execute. What about this default constructor? If you want to call this default constructor, you can go in a main function and you can just delete this value and run your code. See, it will execute default constructor. It is a default constructor. It will execute my default constructor now, because JVM go into the main function. At this line JVM will recognize that this is nothing but a default constructor. This is not a parameterized constructor, and because of that it will go to only default constructor part. But I want to execute these two constructor one by one. So at that time what I have to do, I will use this keyword in my parameterized constructor now. or you can use this keyword in a default constructor, vice versa you can do. I can use this keyword in a default constructor because default constructor you are calling in a main function, right? So anyhow default constructor will get execute. What about parameterized constructor? So I am calling parameterized constructor in a default now using this keyword. Here in a parenthesis you have to provide string value because your parameterized constructor has a one string variable. See, in a main function I am calling default constructor, because of that JVM will go in a default constructor. At this line when JVM will come, it will point to the parameterized constructor because of this keyword, and you know that this keyword is used to call current function, current instance variable and current constructor also. Now because of this line your JVM will enter first in parameterized constructor, JVM will execute this line, after that JVM will come to this line and it will get exit. I am running my code, you can check my console. Parameterized constructor first get execute, then default constructor get execute. It's happened because of this keyword. So in this way you can call any current function, any current constructor, instance variable using this keyword. You can create chaining of your constructor. Here I have created only two constructor. If you want you can create another constructor with different parameters. Like here I am taking two integer variable, int a, int b, and I am just adding here a plus b. Okay, now I want to call this third constructor also. Now what I have to do, I have to provide this keyword in my second constructor with the two integer variable, that is a 20 or 60. Now run your code and you can check my console. It's execute my addition, name is John and the default constructor output. So in this way you can create constructor chaining. In this way you can call any constructor in any another constructor using this. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries, type that query in a comment box. Thank you.